We are Frazer and Amanda, and this is our house in Sandy Bay, Tasmania. We've got 3 girls, Esther, Faye and Martha.
Hi, my name is Michael Boyes. I'm a builder in Hobart. My company is MGB Construction. We've been in the industry for 40 plus years.
It was built in the 1930s. It's still got the original front door. We were a family of 5 living in a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house.
We've lived here for about 17 years. We had to look at how we were going to accommodate our family as it grew, and then we decided we were going to renovate it.
A lot of people thought that we should knock down the house and rebuild, and that wasn't something that we wanted to do at all. And one of the reasons why we got on so well with our builder and our architect is they were really respectful of the parts of the house that we liked and designed it around that.
We sort of knew the style of architecture we liked, and we knew it had to be something that was respectful to the area. And the weatherboard sort of style felt, relaxed and, a little bit modern, coastal, a little bit shaky, relaxed. It was a weatherboard house before as well, and we've sort of just done a contemporary adaptation of the weatherboard house. I don't think a pitch roof on the front was really the way to go here. So I think it worked quite well to have the extension in the parapet flat roof design with the strong horizontals of the weatherboard, and it actually just ties together nicely. I think we arrived at the linear product in the end because we knew weatherboard looked right. We understood from the architect and Michael the builder, both had worked with it before and highly recommended it, and we just thought we'll just go with them.
In this instance, the architect specified linear. It's easy to install, easy to paint. There's no rotting in the board long term, so it's there forever. Comes up looking like a treat every time. I love it, such a good product.
This was a no-brainer to them. I wouldn't have any hesitation from my experience with it. It actually works so well. The house looks great, builder was happy, architect's happy. It was the way to go.
I would definitely recommend linear to other people. It's the right product to use if you want that weatherboard look and style. Very cost effective, and it lasts forever. As a builder, I've used it on other jobs, and I've actually used it on my own place I'm doing. It
looks fantastic. I love the way it looks, and it's really easy to take care of. We really love this house. We're really attached to it, and I can't imagine that I would ever want to sell it. Part of when we were doing our design was trying to make sure it wasn't too big or hard to live in as our lives change. We have the girls' heights records on the hallway door. A lot of our important photos are taken on the front steps. We have a lot of good memories in this house, and that's important to me. My favourite place in the house is in the garden. I love working in the garden, looking up and seeing the new extension and how great it looks.
My favourite place, I think, is up in this corner window up here with the binoculars looking out over the river, watching the boats. I think we knew we got it right when a lot of the neighbours actually would stop us and hang over the fence and say, look, it's looking fantastic.
I still feel excited when I walk up the street and I see it. I think it's really lovely, but I also really like that I can see the old house in it too.
I drive past this place every weekend to look at it. Every time I drive past, I'm amazed at how nice it looks, and the look that the weatherboard gives this place is just amazing. It really is. It'll look the same in 20 years, this place, as today. Come back in, stand here in 20 years, and I'll be 20 years older, and the place will be the same. Just give it a coat of paint.